Hello stars, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Celeste today. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, oh, thank you for staying. Thank you for staying. Yeah, so today I will be showing you my accommodation. I'm living in the student accommodation of the University of Edinburgh, or what we call student hostel. Yes, what I'm going to show you is student hostel. I love the accommodation. It's so beautiful, and one of the reasons I love it is because it's very close to the library. So this is the library there, and this is my accommodation. Yeah, so it's pretty close to the library accommodation, so I can easily leave the library and go back home, or leave the house at any time and go to the library, and I will not freeze before I get there. So this very first building is the student common room, and this is the main accommodation. This is the main building. Let's show the common room first. Open the common room, and hello, it's a beautiful common room, and we have a pool here for students to play that game here. So this is the student common room. So we'll go into the main building now. We have to use this to access the building. Yeah, so yeah, and I live in the top. And to access the room, you need this. So, open. A flat is made up of 6 rooms, so it's a all down way that you have rooms here, but we share the kitchen together. So first, before I show you my room, I am going to show you the kitchen. This is the kitchen, so we all share like one kitchen together. Yeah, baby. And this is the Amarachi. Yeah, Amarachi is my flatmate, and we have it's like a combination of a common room and a kitchen. That's one of the reasons I love this kitchen. The view is so lovely. I'll go ahead and show my room. Yeah, hi Ann, how you doing? That's my flatmate. Hello. Okay. So stepping into the room, this is the first view that we get, and to the right here we have the toilets, we have the wardrobe, and so I'll start from here, then we come to the other end. So here the first thing that you get on your right hand side is the clothes jacket rack. Yeah. Okay, so we get the jacket rack. Jackets are so very big, and sometimes side the wardrobe. So I have the jacket rack, and here I have my mirror. One of the best things that I like about this room is the mirror. Yeah, because I love to see myself a lot, and when you dress up you can easily like see yourself. So that's all you get. And yes, this side is the reading area, and here I have my flower. Here is the place I usually hang my keys, and so I don't go about looking for them when it's time to go out. I have my nose mask and my hand sanitizer, and here I have some butterfly just to spice up the room. Yes, some shiny little butterflies. Okay, and here I have a board where I can like pin anything I want to pin. So I just have some motivational words for myself. Smile slowly, it's the biggest antidote. Of course, if you've noticed, I love to smile a lot. I love to be happy than to be sad. And here is my to-do list, some that I really do not want to put it on my phone. I want to be seeing it, so I paste it here. Presently, these are my important dates for my submission before I can rest in this semester. All this I have to produce 3,000 words, 1 2 3, so I have to produce 9,000 words in total before I can rest. And of course, I have another motivation here. The best part of me is not yet known, and I'll keep shining until the world sees it. Yeah, to this side I have another like decor kind of here, and I have a frame, a London old picture. I have the frame here, and yes, I love this particular reading table because they are just they switch everywhere, and I love it. It also has another port for internet connection, and I have another port here for USB, so I love it. And I have another switch here also, another socket, and here I have an extra light to illuminate the reading area if I want to read. Yeah, and I have a reading chair also here. And to my far left also, I have an artificial potted plant. I got that just to decorate the room. Here we have some cupboards here. And yes, here I dump anything, any stationery, and I just dump them on this very first layer. For the second layer, I dedicated that one for all my head warmer, my socks, my gloves, my head ties. So anything I'm looking for that concerns socks and all of that, it should be here like compulsively. Then the third layer, I dedicated it to anything makeup, body cream, hair cream. Yeah. Then up, I have some open shelves for books. I don't have like too many books here. We use more of online resources. I have some book collections. I don't have too many books, but these are the ones that I have. And this particular shelf, I always put my bag. To this side, these are my pictures just to decorate the room. And to this side, I have a dried flower for decor. This is my window view. This is what I see. I wish that my kitchen view was my window view. I always wish, but this is the view I have. Sometimes the noise from the road always disturbs me. It is not funny sometimes, but I'm managing and I'm learning to cope with it. To this side, I have another frame of London old pictures, and yes, there's a heater in the room. It is very cold, so the heater helps you to be warm, and that is our YouTube studio light. This is our bed area. Okay, from the top here I have some face paint kind of photo, just to show the face. I just wanted to spice up my room and have something beautiful, so I have this face photo, and this is me right here. Yeah, so that is what I have above my bed area. And here I have my lovely bird. The bed is somehow small, but I'm small, so so it suits me so well. And I have my babies here. I have Wayne, I have Starlight, and I have Wills. Yes, they are here keeping the room busy and playing everywhere. And just above my head at this other side, I have another board that can paste anything. So I decided to also put some pictures and frames of London old photos. And here are MasterCard scholars, the first set of MasterCard scholars that came. And here I have another photo. So this is what it looks like. And when you just look downward a bit, I have a side table. And on the side table, I have Lena, my plant. She's there. She's doing well. This is Lena. And then inside the side table, I just dump my breakfast stuff. Because this room is very tiny, I have to like derive a strategy to keep the room spacious for me. So the bed is raised, and I have managed to like stock some things under the bed. So yeah, now let's go to the wardrobe. Yeah, I mean, one problem with this room is that the wardrobe is really tiny, and I have a problem. My problem is that anything that is not in the wardrobe, any clothes I don't hang, I may end up not wearing the clothes till next year. So anything, trouser goes in here, my denim, my plain trousers and all, I put them in there. And here I have my clothes. I've managed to like squeeze and create space for them, put 2-3 together just to create space for them. To also manage space, I got a carton. I don't want my shoes lying down in the room, so I decided to create a shoe rack with this carton here. Yeah, and then I can just have some things above the carton. So finally, this is the bedroom. The area we have the toilet, yeah, and I have my towel here. I hang my towel here, yeah, and then we have the bedroom. Damn, the bedroom is really tiny, really tiny. I am tiny, but I still struggle to bend to wash my leg in this bedroom. Yes, you have seen my accommodation. This is where I stay, this is where I live, and this is like the small decoration that I was able to like put in the room to just spice it up. I hope to add more plants collection because I really love plants. Even when I was a broke girl in Nigeria, I still had some plants in my room, so I still want to add like some giant plants, like some more bigger plants. I want to add it to this collection. If you like my room, please leave a comment. When I say leave a comment, please leave a comment so it can boost my channel. Please give it a thumbs up so YouTube can recommend my content to people so my channel can grow. Thank you so much. So let's talk about how much it costs. How much does this accommodation cost? It costs £9,327. Yes, to get this accommodation. Actually, my scholarship, the MasterCard scholarship, thank you MasterCard, I always keep thanking MasterCard. Yes, they pay for this accommodation, so I really didn't know how much it cost. I had to ask my flatmate, who is also a postgrad student, yeah, to confirm the cost of the accommodation, and he actually confirmed to me that it cost him £9,327 in a year to get this accommodation. So do the maths. If you do the maths in naira, it can build a mansion in naira. This accommodation for 1 year can build a mansion in naira. Ew! The name of the accommodation is Buccleuch Place Lane, and if you're considering coming to the University of Edinburgh and you are looking for accommodation, I think you should consider here because it's really very close to the library. If you're someone who would love to use the library a lot, I think you will love it also. Okay, so Yep. Did I try like with this decor? Did I try? What do you think about it? Do you like it? Let me know if you like it. And yeah, I will see you again in my next video. Take care and goodbye.